Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD traders get set for the Fed Chair and BoE's Governor. http ntvforex.com News ID 5F4B61 6 minutes ago by Ross J. Berland. It is going to be a toss-up between which central bank outcome will be more dovish this week. The Fed Chair Powell speaks on Thursday, expected to lay down the foundations for lower for longer. On Friday, the market will be turned into the governor of the old lady who could touch on negative interest rates. GBP USD is trading at 1.3198, having printed a fresh high on the day so far at 1.3219 in a rally from 1.3117. The fact there had been no progress made in trade talks has done little to prevent that pound from rallying midweek ahead of the Jackson Hole showdown. In most recent news, NBSP EU trade negotiator Phil Hogan is reported by Bloomberg to resign today, which is yet another potential spanner in the works for Brexit negotiations as the clock ticks down. All eyes on the Jackson Hole and BoE governor instead. The US dollar is sliding into the event where investors will be mostly concentrated NBSP on the Federal Reserve's keynote NBSP speech on Thursday, NBSP at 14.10 GMT. Bulls have capitulated NBSP ahead of the speech, where a highly dovish outcome is the risk to the NBSP greenback. The July Federal Open Market Committee minutes failed to feed the rally in risk assets, so the stock markets are banking on a lifeline vs the ongoing spread of the coronavirus and bleak economic recovery outlooks. The reflation and declining real yields narrative have been a thorn in the side for the greenback. Confirmation from Powell tomorrow NBSP that the Fed will keep rates low, which could be the nail in the coffin for the DXY, already tinkering on the edge of falling down into the abyss. Meanwhile, investors will want to hear from the Bank of England's Governor Andrew Bailey, who is speaking on NBSP Friday, for some insight into any mention of negative interest rates. NBSP negative rates are still very much in the playbook, and any threat to use such a medium could prove havoc NBSP for a vulnerable and potentially overvalued pound. While positioning data has now likely moved longer, catching up with the spot market, a troubled winter approach is pertaining to messy Brexit negotiations, which make for a choppy foundation for cable. Throw in negative interest rates, then bulls will certainly have their work cut out, no matter how weak the dollar is at the time. NBSP GBP USD levels. NBSP overview today. Last price 1.3198 today. Daily change 0.0047 today. Daily change percent 0.36 today. Daily open 1.3151. NBSP trends. Daily SMA 201.3095. Daily SMA 501.2774. Daily SMA 100.2599. Daily SMA 2001.2724. NBSP levels. Previous daily high 1.317, previous daily low 1.3059, previous weekly high 1.3267, previous weekly low 1.3059, previous monthly high 1.317, previous monthly low 1.236. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1.3128. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1.3102. Daily pivot point S1 1.3083. Daily pivot point S2 1.3015. Daily pivot point S3 1.2972. Daily pivot point R1 1.3195. Daily pivot point R2 1.3238. Daily pivot point R3 1.3306. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.